Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Sons TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video, you feel me? In today's video, y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, we finna do a Hellcat POV in the hood, you feel me? So we finna be going through the hood of Birmingham, just, driving, making some noise and shit, give y'all boys a little POV in the Hellcat, you feel me? So that's what we finna do today. I ain't finna hold y'all up no more. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to 200 and we finna go ahead and get the business. Also, don't do no video like this unless you got that GN on you on everything. So, you feel me? We finna get in the car and we finna go ahead and get this shit started because, you feel me? It's niggas already on dope. Let me show you. That nigga right there at the bar, at the store, that nigga on some real motherfucking drugs. That nigga tweaking out that bitch. So that's why you gotta have your fire on you at all times. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into this motherfucking video, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't drove that car like I'm finna do this. Well, I ain't finna be sliding that too crazy, cause like I said, the police be on my trail. I don't know what the fuck these little niggas got going on over here. They need to put them old ass Crown Vics up. You feel me? It's time to upgrade, no doubt. What the fuck you looking at? Alright, y'all, so the first stop we finna do, you feel me? We finna slide through the projects, you feel me? Cause I don't think I ever took this car through the projects up here. The only projects I ever took that bitch through was Belsman. I went through that bitch, you feel me? We did some little donuts and shit for the kids, and I got the fuck out of there. That was before I was on probation, though. But now, you feel me? A nigga gotta be way, way more cautious with the shit that he do nowadays, you feel me? Here go the projects right here on the left. Oh, shit! I'm trying to see how you come up in that bitch, and here go the police. I wasn't doing shit wrong, nigga. So, I'm gonna turn right into the projects. See, if I turn to the project, they gonna think I'm selling dope on everything. I just want to see what's going on in the project community, no doubt. Look at them niggas. I don't know if y'all see him in the review. He's acting like he want to goddamn just sit right here. That nigga knew he had something safe to do before he seen me. Oh, okay. Damn, the kids ain't outside at the playground. What the fuck going on around there, ho? Oh, they go a motherfucking 392 out there, bitch. Nigga in the hood with the scat pack. Okay, I see it. She put a whole, hey, what's that shit called? She put a whole cup of grease on her motherfucking edges. Her shit look like this. Got a clear coat on her shit, no doubt. What the fuck y'all niggas at? Ain't nobody doing no gangster shit around there, ho? I guess not. Ain't nobody around here been doing no gangster shit. Okay. Projects buzzing as hell. Ain't shit going on out there, ho. But there's some shit going on at this motherfucking, what is it? At Legion Field, though. I know there's a lot of police around this hoe now. Down that truck kind of clean on everything. Only truck I want is a TRX though, I can't even lie to you. I ain't even no truck person. Damn, ain't nobody barbecuing in that out there, hoe? See, you look the hood, but the hood be banging harder than this. These niggas ain't doing a damn thing out there, ho. These niggas just down this bitch, goddamn, just taking advantage of their beautiful weather. You feel me? Let's turn down their block. I'm trying to, I wish I could use my goddamn flame tune. Is that a man? That bitch look rough as fuck. Shit! She like one of them females I was locked up in jail with. See, they think I'm finna bend they block on that bullshit. Ain't nobody finna do shit to y'all niggas. Always. I really need to get me a camera on some real shit. Y'all, I'm back, goddamn. I know y'all like, shit, you supposed to be in the hood. Nigga, this here the hood. It just look good over here. These niggas riding their bikes and shit in the middle of traffic. Nigga, get your main ass on the sidewalk. Fuck wrong with them? Yeah, I see the people behind you getting annoyed. You know, it be so much shit going on in the world. Huh? That shit wasn't funny, nigga. I don't even know what the fuck that nigga said. But he ain't say nothing interesting to me. I wish I could use my fucking flame kit. I'ma try to do it. Hold on. Damn, that shit ain't gonna work. Fuck that. I'ma fuck around and do some low IQ ass shit and fuck the car. Oh God, I tried to do that shit. That shit did not work. Who the fuck that is? I thought I knew who that was. Hey, fuck this place. These motherfuckers take my gun and I had to go to that bitch. Every time. Birmingham police, if you watching this, count your motherfucking days. I ain't letting y'all niggas take my gun no more. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Damn, them motherfuckers on some drugs too. Everybody around there been on drugs. That was not me, officer. I ain't doing damn thing. See, the police be on every block around this hole. If that nigga pull out, I'm tucking his gun up on his seat. He ain't got probable cause. Oh, this motherfucker jumping today? Okay. I see how it is. Police on every block. Okay. Them niggas ain't solving no murders in the city though. Okay. We finna go to up down? Yeah. Am I finna go to jail today? No. Why the fuck everybody looking at me? Cause I'm in a cat. And why people keep filing complaints? Cause I don't know how to act, nigga. What? You said something or somebody else said something? Oh, Karen.
I said girl.
Oh, okay.